since smartphones started offering the screenshot feature, it has gotten quite easier for people to capture the image of just about anything on the screen with one press of the button. The feature is quite useful for Android, iPhone and macOS users. After all, not all apps come with a feature that allows you to save the image in your gallery. What most people experience is two major issues when it comes to capturing screenshots. One, can't take screenshot due to limited storage space. Second, can't take screenshot due to security policy. To resolve the storage issue, people reboot their phones or transfer certain files and folders to the cloud or other storage space. But what if you encounter with an error message that says can't take screenshot due to security policy? This has become quite a common issue these days. It's important to understand what's blocking you from capturing the screenshots. Later, we can move on to the things that could be done to avoid such an issue. You must understand, some apps come packed with a set of unique features that are specially designed to protect your confidential information and the personal details of the user. Mostly, these are the banking and financial apps that have built-in tools that are designed to block screenshots. If the screenshot service is blocked because of high security apps such as PayPal, Paytm, UPI Bank and more, then you can use the third-party apps to capture the picture. Sometimes the screenshot function is restricted from the server's end, which means the company must have disabled you from capturing the screenshot. With that said, there's an option available if you want to take screenshots with Paytm. Follow these steps. Open the Paytm app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Select profile settings from the list of options that appears. Then tap on security and privacy. On the security and privacy page, tap on the option control screen recording. Note that it may take up to 30 minutes for the feature to be turned on. And once activated, it will automatically get turned off after 30 minutes. In these 30 minutes while the screen recording is turned on, you should be able to take screenshots. Thanks for watching. Good luck.